Hello my good friends and fellow language learners. Today I would like to introduce you to a site that I've been stumbling over. It is called www.itv.com and what you will find there is a list of channels from TV channels from different countries. You have a list there. Let's give some examples. Argentina, I don't know. 35 channels. Croatia 5 channels. Germany 75 channels, and so on. As far as Croatian is concerned, or Croatia is concerned, you have the first state's TV channel, but usually they turn off the signal when they show some movies or some special documentations, because they want you to pay 1,000 kunas, or 100, which is 130 euros, if you want to see the whole program. I mean, I guess that's okay if you want to see English English movies, or any movies subtitled with Croatian. Excuse me. Yeah, so generally that was it. For all the channels you will see a link to an external site, or most of them are watchable on the site itself. And well, the quality of the signal or of the stream is not always the same. And yeah, I think that's it for now. Have fun with the site and thanks for watching. See you.